Hello, I am Maria Olejnikova with Ole team at HomeSmart Realty Group, and I'm here to present my new listing to you. It's a beautifully renovated home in the heart of Littleton with spectacular mountain views. Let's take a look. This one-of-a-kind gem sits on 1/3 of an acre corner lot and defines luxury living with its refined and open floor plan, exquisite custom kitchen with 42-inch soft-close cabinets, brass hardware, fabulous quartz countertops with a waterfall island, brand new stainless steel appliances with a gas cooktop and a double oven, solid walnut shelves, pantry, backsplash and wood-burning fireplace finished with Porcelanosa European tile. Entertainer's dream living room flows into a spacious dining area and expands onto the covered patio from the kitchen. Large windows and skylights bring a lot of light into this gorgeous home, featuring a main floor study, 4 expansive bedrooms on the 2nd floor, including an immaculate master suite with a walk-in closet, soaking tub, and an oversized shower. Everything in this home has been updated with opulent finishes and designer features throughout, from fantastic kitchen, luxury vinyl waterproof flooring, hardwood staircase with custom iron cast railing, to a brand new furnace, AC unit, water heater, newer roof and windows. You can enjoy your evenings by an amazing fireplace while watching magnificent sunsets right from your windows. Take a stroll around the West Laurel Park right behind your fully fenced yard, or play some pool in your freshly refinished basement. Set the stage with this stunning home minutes away from shopping, dining, hiking and biking trails, Chatfield Reservoir, and a short drive to the foothills. If it sounds like the home you've been looking for, please reach out to me for a tour at 720-394-1051. Thanks so much.